Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty in Brown. Today I have created a simple traditional look with a little twist. Before I start, I wanted you all to subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Now let's get started with the makeup. I am applying a Wet n Wild primer now before applying my foundation. This is a silicone based primer and it helps in reducing the texture of the skin. For foundation today I am mixing these two foundations from Maybelline. And I am blending it with a flat foundation brush. These days I like using my brush instead of sponge because it gives more coverage and helps me in hiding the acne scars I have. I am leaving the areas around my eyes because I will be applying concealer later. If you apply concealer on top of the foundation under your eyes, it will definitely crease and look cakey. I don't know why I am giving this expression, but no, I am not eating now. Can you please tell me in the comments what makeup you want me to do next? You can follow me on Instagram as well at Beauty in Brown. So finally I am done blending the foundation. Let's move to the concealer. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. I am dotting the foundation in the inner corners and outer corners of my eyes, around the nose and on my chin. You don't need any more concealer than this, and I am using the same foundation brush I used for my face. Earlier when I started using the concealer, I didn't know how to apply it and it used to look very cakey. But since I started using this technique, it has been very easy for me. You can see how this small amount was enough to cover my dark circles. Today I am using the setting powder from K-Beauty to set my base. It is a little darker than my face, but it works very well. I forgot to contour my face before setting the makeup. There are no rules in the makeup, but it is good to apply all the cream products and then set the base. But since I forgot it doing before, I am doing it now. And for blending I am using the same foundation brush I used earlier. Nowadays I have started using a darker concealer for my contour and I must say it looks very natural. For blush and highlight I am using my current favorite palette from Sephora. The blushes are very pigmented, warm and earthy tone. And again I am using the same brush to apply my blush as well. Applying blush on the nose makes the makeup very cohesive. I am running the same brush over my contour as well and I find it very cute. Now I am using a gold highlighter from the same Sephora face palette. And yes, I am using the same brush again. I think by now you guys have understood that you don't need multiple brushes to do your base makeup. I am brushing my eyebrows now before filling them up. As usual I am starting from the center towards the end and then filling the front of the brows. Look at the difference here. I am repeating the same steps on the other brows now. I am filling it from the center to the ends and then filling the front of the eyebrows. Do you guys fill your eyebrows or not? Let me know in the comments. For eyeshadow I am using this palette from Sephora. Today's eye look is mainly focused on the eyeliner, so you can skip this step if you want. Here I am applying a brown shade on my eyelids which is close to my skin tone. Since I have oily eyelids, it helps in setting the concealer I applied earlier. Now I'm using a dark terracotta shade on the crease and on the outer corner as well. Also, I'm using my fingers to blend the colors. This creates depth and gives definition to the eyes. Now comes the most exciting part, the gold eyeliner. I am using this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty as an eyeliner today. You can use an eyeliner brush or a pencil brush to apply the eyeliner. I am taking the eyeshadow in small quantity and building up the eyeliner. And we are done. Now I am using this black eyeliner from Lakme and applying it below the gold eyeliner. I am creating a little wing in the end. I am going for a red lip today, so I am applying a lip liner before applying the lipstick. I am using Ruby Woo as my lipstick today. I just love this lip color. Let's finish the eye makeup now. I am curling my lashes before applying the mascara. I am using the Maybelline mascara here. Never forget your lower lashes, it creates a huge difference. Okay, so I am almost done with it. To finish the look, I applied a matching bindi. I also made a small bun and wore some bangles as well. So this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video today. These pictures are not edited and were taken in natural light. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.